Okay, wherever you're following this live, we want to welcome all of you to our beautiful Liberia YouTube channel. This is the number one YouTube channel that is meant to promote the art and culture of Liberia. So today we are showing you local manufacturing production here in Liberia. Things that have been locally made. As you can see, these are some of the decks and these are the chairs that have been locally made from here. So let me just show you some of the workers that are working. So there is the marking and the cutting section. As you can see, the marking and cutting section, and there is a cutting section that we have at this particular point. Okay, so from this section you come to the assembly section. There is the assembly section. Okay, but we also have the seat. So after cutting the seat, we also assemble the seat at this particular location here. And then we have two assembly sessions. We have one assembly session on this side, and then we have another assembly session on this side as well. So follow me. Let me show you. So there is a flanger session. Okay, so we will also show you. So there is where they bend the seat, the arm for the seat. There is the arm for the seat section here as well. So at the back here, we also have two other sessions that is going on, which of course I want to show you. All these things are possible here if we can be able to support Liberia, when it comes to innovation and production. So we have another group of guys that are also doing the marking and the cutting session as well. So all these things are also geared to support the production process of this particular chair. These are chairs that students are going to use, especially students that are still sitting on the ground. So we are doing a very mass production of this particular set, as you can see. So all this set will be cut as well, and you will see entire chairs like this. Okay, so I'll be taking you in another video. I'll also show you how the carpentry they are working also to assemble the entire chair as well. But we want to use this time to appreciate all of you. If you are interested in this particular content, kindly like and share and let us know exactly what you love about this video. Thank you so much.